Do you snore? This could be your problem. This right here is a restricted airway. This one here is what a normal airway should look like. What's the airway? It's this that comes down from the back of your throat all the way down here, and that's how you actually breathe. So when you look back here, you can see that there's different sizes of airway. So the airway is that space that you actually breathe in down the back of your throat. And what you should be doing is breathing through your nose and not through your mouth. If you're breathing through your nose, you have a nice full airway.